if you're a credit repair business owner and you're thinking about buying a big bulk of leads, you definitely should not do this. The reason you shouldn't do that is because just like you shouldn't eat food from off the ground, it's on the ground and you don't know who touched that food. You don't know who ate off of that food. The best thing you should do is to create a system where you're generating your own individual, unique leads that know you, because when they know you or they can remember where they actually put in their information from, when you give them a call, you could just refer back to where you met them at. For example, if you're running a Facebook ad and it says, hey, if you're an entrepreneur, if you're a barbershop owner with less than a perfect credit score, click here to see if you qualify for this new credit repair program, okay? You're gonna know that every person that becomes a lead from that ad was a barbershop owner and that they clicked it to qualify for a program. And you know, when you talk to them, you can say, hey, Jay, I know you're a barbershop owner looking to get your credit fixed, instead of relying on a list of leads that you don't know where they came from. And when they answer the phone, they're trying to figure out who the are you?